Do you recall once upon a time we were randomly organizing a lunch or dinner, inviting our friends, having fun, having conversation? But nowadays, my friends, I think twice to invite anyone at home because I don't know what's the latest trend or what diet they are following this week. It seems that food nowadays is only labeled as a good or bad. Egg, dairy, pasta, rice, olive oil, butter, even socializing around meal. It's labeled as a potential harm. But the question is all this anxiety about food helping us or they can be potentially harm to our mental and physical health? Today, I'm going to talk to you about how environment we eat in, how the conversation we have around meal, and the choice that we have, and this anxiety can be potentially harmful to our mental and physical well-being. So stay with me. Think about nowadays food is becoming a calculation. Is it good? Is it bad? Is it helping me? Or somehow secretly is going to harm my body? Constantly thinking about these issues, unfortunately, leaving us anxious, harming our mental health, and even leaving us fearful about something that must nourish us. Food's supposed to bring us together, bring us joy, and nourish our mind and body. But we're constantly questioning our choices and calculating. It creates a mindset of scarcity and fear. And that fear, my friends, are not helping us. And no doubt, is affecting our mental and physical well-being. Often we are eating in front of TV or watching our phone. We are bombarded with disturbing news. Or even when we get together to eat food, we are discussing the latest global crisis, or simply we are criticizing each other for our food choices or talking about the latest food trend that we heard here or there. In that state, we are truly disturbing our digestive and metabolism more than what we think. Our ancestors, they were eating with intention. They were connecting and savoring their foods. Nowadays, that connection is lost. We are feeding on fear and distractions. It's no surprise that our health is affected when our body and mind are not aligned with the act of eating. Now let's get a little bit deeper into the science. Most of the diseases we are facing today are not genetic, but they are epigenetic, meaning they are affected and influenced by our environment, lifestyle, choices that we have, and our stress level. Think about your DNA as a piano. All the notes are sets. But the music comes dependent on which keys you are touching. Our lifestyle, diet, environment, stress are the musicians. When we eat constantly in a stressful environment, we are touching those keys that are making the music of health issue. Our body responds to more than nutrient. It responds to our state of mind. So when we eat with gratitude, calm, and joy, we create an environment in which our body can thrive. But when we eat with a stress, that may lead to activating a gene which over time can create problem and health issues. So maybe it's a time to think health beyond just eating. Instead of just focusing on bad food over or versus good food, maybe perhaps it's a time to think about the way we are eating, the state of mind that we are bringing over food, creating a joyful and calm environment while we are eating. It can be very helpful. We can start small. Eat with people that we like. Create a connection, a calm and happy environment. Or even we are eating alone. Maybe we have to start with a small gratitude, creating a nice environment for ourselves. Think and focus on what we are eating and be positive, creating a balanced approach to food instead of just labeling it as a bad or good. Our health is more than just calories and fat. Bad versus good. It's about whole experience, state of mind. Remember, food is not supposed to bring stress. It's supposed to bring joy to not only our body, nourish not only our body, but also our mind. If you like this video, subscribe and like and share with someone who need to listen to this message. I would like to know your approach to food. Please write a comment below and let's start more conversation about the joy of eating and how we can create an environment in which we can both nourish our body and our mind together. Thank you for watching and see you next time.